Welcome to the next update of our £0 to £1,000 challenge, week 2. If you want to see how we did, then stay tuned. Welcome to Rich Money Tips, where we show you how to save, earn and grow your money. Now, if you haven't been following along so far, you can go back and check out the previous 2 videos. I'll leave the links in the description below so you can check them out, have a quick watch and see what it's all about. If not, a quick overview is that we're trying to start from 0 and using some techniques we've learned to attempt to grow it from 0 to £1,000. No time limit on this, we're just going to update you weekly. Without further ado, let's jump straight into it. Oh wait, hold on. Just before we carry on, I'd like to just say thank you for checking our videos out. We're really trying to grow our channel with the main aim to help as many people as possible change their financial situation, become financially independent, and provide lots of value to you all. Please don't forget to hit that like button if you're getting value from it, if it's helping you. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see further updates, and it helps us grow. Really appreciate it. So now we're going to jump straight in. We are going to have a look at our spreadsheet, see what we've made, what offers we've done. I'm going to walk you through maybe the different sites we've used, how we use them offers to generate some money, and let's see how we get on. So the first site we used this week to claim some money and make some profits was this one. This is called Ladbrokes. The name's off to the side there, but you can see it here. So this is Ladbrokes. There, you don't need any special link for this. We head over to promotions as a new customer. It should bring up their promotions and we should be able to see, once it's loaded, their new customer welcome offer. And if we scroll down, here it is. So if we see more on that, as you can see from reading it, we bet £5 and we get £20 in free bets. Very similar, if not the same as the Coral offer we did last week. A quick look when it's loaded. Here we go. As you can see, there are some deposit types excluded, like PayPal. I think it's to avoid people abusing the promotion. So we can get £20 in free bets when we sign up and stake £5 on sports. We just follow it. We register a new account, place a bet, get credited the bets, and we use OddsMonkey to help us with which matches to bet on. Let's head over to the next site. We'll go through the profits shortly. The next site we used was one called Betfred, a well-known bookmaker in the UK. And this is the actual offer we use. Now they usually do a bet £10 and get £30, but at the moment they have an extra promotion if you use the promo code football40. Waiting for this to load. And here we go. So of course 18 plus UK customers only. We register using the promo code football40. Just make sure you use the code. If not, you may not get it. And deposit with a debit card. Place your first bet of £10. The odds of evens or greater. Now converted into a decimal, as it actually says down here. So evens is 2.0 or greater. So just make sure if you're using OddsMonkey to filter that. Place your first bet and receive £30 in free bets. And you get an extra 10 if your first bet loses, and we'll go through what happened to our bet later on. So we use this one, we get our profit, and move on to the next one. Our next offer was a bookmaker, Paddy Power. Now for new customers we managed to find this one. This offer is a £20 risk-free bet, money back as cash if it loses. Now this is slightly different to any of the other ones where we have to bet something and get something. This one is a risk-free bet. So technically you could put £20 on a bet, and if it loses you get your money back, you don't make anything, you don't lose anything. But we can lock in using that criteria, using a special calculator on OddsMonkey, and we can lock in some money. Not sure on any terms here. Just having a read. And that's this one. We'll go through the profits we made from this one later on. Let's head over to our next bookmaker. The next site we made a profit from was a site called 888 Sport. Now, been trying to refresh this page for a while now. Something's gone wrong on their end, and I'm not managing to get a screenshot of the offer. I'll try and add one on in the video if their site loads before I post the video. But this offer was a bet £10 get £30 in free bets. There's a slight term in the offer, which is £10 of the free bets must be used through a mobile device. So if you use a computer to do your betting, you need to make sure you log in to the site through your mobile device to claim that extra £10, and it's worth £7 to £8 in profit, so it's worth doing. And apologies that I couldn't show it, something down with their site today. Gonna head over to the next site, and here we are on the last one we did for this week. This is a site called Smarkets, or Smarkets, and you get a £10, as you can see straight here, you get a £10 welcome bonus. So I now get a £10 bonus credit to use on Smarkets. Now Smarkets is not actually a bookmaker, it's an exchange, very similar to Betfred. I actually prefer this market site. You also get to save some money by linking your Smarkets to OddsMonkey, and you get a 0% commission. So every bet you place through an exchange, you get charged. I think Smarkets is 2%, Betfair after the trial period is 5%. So if you do continue your betting, you actually pay a small fee on your bets, and by linking it with the odds, if you got OddsMonkey Premium and pay monthly for that, if you link it in with your exchange, they actually have a deal where they, I guess, waive your commission, so to speak, and you don't pay any fees. So you actually save, depends on how much you bet, but you actually save your fee, so it sort of pays for itself, which is great. So by using the exchange, we just do our regular betting. We actually use some of the offers that we did from the sites we've covered, and you get a £10 refunded on any losers. So it's actually just £10 in cash that you get from signing up. Heading back over to SkyBet, I know we've completed the welcome offer, but the welcome offer is not where it stops. These bookmakers want you to bet again and again and again, and as you can see, this is the offer actually here that we've used. Let's move on. So this is a simple bet and get £5 free. Let me see if I can do it. Yesterday we did, so yesterday was Saturday, they did a Saturday soccer boost. Can't remember the name of it. Every Saturday they do a boost where you can actually just bet and get a few pounds in profits every week. Really good to do. So with this one, with SkyBet, we got a £5 in free bet. I think it's a 5p minimum here, so it's 5p minimum. We always like to do the standard amount, so we stick with like about £5, or if there's only a few pounds in the account, we'll bet it all, then we get that £5 free bet. Place it on any market on Chelsea v Liverpool, so one of the teams will draw, and then we get £5 credited. We got that instantly credited, and used it for locking in about £3 to £4 profit. We'll double check how much that was when we do the summary. The SkyBet, a good thing about SkyBet also is their Sky Club here. And if you do opt in and you bet £25 over the course of a week. So using the different offers, like I said, we use £5 there. Then you actually get a £5 bet. And so here we go, £5 free bet, usually credited on the Monday here by 7 o'clock on the Monday, and we use that to get £3-4 of profit. We actually opted in this week, we completed that, and we should get that tomorrow, so Monday, and then we'll use it, add it on to next week's profits. And once again, if you are getting value, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate it. We've got lots to look forward to, guys. Let's head over to the spreadsheet and see how we did. So here's the spreadsheet. As you can see, still got week 1 here. We ended up with £161.97. And so this week we did that Saturday booster from Sky that we did. William Hill to actually do a similar one. We made 70p from that. Every little helps with this. The bet club qualifier, so that qualifies us for that £5 bet next week. So in the Ladbrokes, here we did the welcome bet and the free bet. Made some money from that one. The Betfred one we did. Made some money from that one. Paddy Power. And again, Paddy Power was just one bet because of the risk-free type. Please make sure you check out the OddsMonkey guide. It will tell you how to do that. 888 Sport that we did. I couldn't get the site up, but check it out. 888sport.com is the site. Don't need any special link. I think you need a promo actually. I think it's 30F or 30F for like 33. It'll tell you when you sign up. The £10 cash we got from the Smarkets welcome refund, and then just a few offers we did. I think Paddy Power gave a £5 free bet. Betfred did a similar one as Sky on the football. So overall, we went from 161 all the way to 269 as it stands. So we're over a quarter of the way there, making £1,000 from nothing. So in a week, take one from the other. That's over £100 we did this week. Now, I have done a little graph. Let me see if I can bring it over a little bit. Can I try it? Here we go. Just to see how we're going, steady profits. Yeah. And this is where we're at. So we've still got a while to go. Over a quarter of the way there. See how we get on next week. Really appreciate everyone following along. Again, this is something you can do yourself. Again, you can take a screenshot of this, just follow the offers. Sign up to OddsMonkey, they do a free trial. I think they do a £1 week free for premium access as well. So you can sign up to that. Use it. Use the odds matcher, the calculators. It's just pretty awesome. The amount of money you can make on a regular basis is pretty good. And follow along. Let me know. Comment below if you are following along, if you are making some money, and let's get this up next week and make some extra cash. So we are making very good progress. Don't forget to let me know in the comments below how you're getting on, or if there's any other videos that you'd like to see, any other questions, and we'll help you out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on next week's update.